My name is Ajay Tiwari, and today we are going to see what is happiness project, why people are unhappy, what are the reasons behind their unhappiness. So everyone face difficult times in our life, and there are a lot of tough times where you feel unsecure, unsafe, and you feel that you will never get another job. You feel that you will have a lot of difficulties going forward, and you will never come to that particular situation here where you will win. So you lose your confidence. You feel that you are worthless. You will never face such a situation again in life where you will achieve the success of heights. So what are the reasons how you can go ahead and you can achieve happiness in your life? So let's see. So first of all, you have to identify your anger. Why you are getting angry? So the reasons behind your angriness. So identify all these reasons behind your anger and work on it properly so that you can reach up to a conclusion and you find a proper solution so that you can analyze everything and you will get a reason behind it, and then you can overcome that situation of your anger. Then say no to alone time. Next one is saying no to alone time. When you are alone, you feel a lot of negative things, very difficult things, and negative things will come to your mind, and you will feel that I'll never become happy in my life. So overcoming such a kind of situations is the another thing. The next one is staying focused. You have to become very focused to get to that particular situation of happiness again. And while being focused, you have to continuously think about your final goal. You have to reach up to that focus so that you can overcome this unhappiness in your life and you feel happy. So focusing is a third thing. The next one is don't follow your culture blindly. So there are a lot of people, they feel that my parents were doing this, my grandparents were doing this. So making that thing, you have to analyze your background, you have to analyze yourself, and you have to overcome your culture. Analyzing your culture, what is good for you. You don't need to feel that my parents are saying this, I have to do this. So you don't follow blindly that. You analyze everything, you find a reason behind it, and then after analyzing everything, you have to take right decision that I'll do this particular business, I'll do this particular service, and you have to take decision accordingly. So do business of your own choice. Next one is doing business of your own choice. So your family, your friends says that we'll do this, we'll do that. So don't blindly follow it. Whatever you like in your life, in your business, in your service, you have to do that. So this is the next thing. And the next one is keeping a diary with you. So whatever you are planning in your life, whatever you want to write, you have to keep a separate diary for that. So that whatever you have planned in a day, and after a week, you're not forgetting this particular thing. So keeping a diary with you for all these things, so that after a month you realize that I missed this particular thing. So if you're keeping a diary with you, you will recollect that particular thing and you will work on it. So this is another reason why you will become happy. So after performing everything, you will become happy. And the next one is recognize your inner voice. So how you can recognize your inner voice? Listen to your thoughts, listen to your mind, listen to your heart, and analyze everything and work on it. Not listen to others. Whatever you feel inside you, you have to work on it and you have to give your best in your life. The next one is learning. What is the learning? Why people are not learning? Those who are not learning continuously, they fail in their life because there are a lot of things, a lot of new things coming up every day, every week, every month. So learning is one of the things which will make you happy. And your determination in tough times, your determination will make you a big success. So learning, determination, and the next one is action. Taking corrective action based on these things will make you successful and happy in your life. So next one is knowing about yourself. What do you know about yourself? There are people, they do not know anything about themselves. So knowing about your good things, your bad things. If you know everything, you will definitely win. So know yourself first. Knowing yourself will give you a good thought and make you success, make you happier in life. So these were the rules which by following these rules you will become definitely happy in your life, and this will give you a lot of happiness in your life. So these were some points, friends, I wanted to tell you. And if you want to see more such kind of videos, you subscribe my channel, like it and share it with everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks. Have a good time. Bye bye.